Welcome back to the Beginner's Bar. Scott here. I'm going to create something that's a little bit of a different old fashioned. It's somewhat of a different variety, I guess. It's called a Bombo, or Bombo. B-O-M-B-O. It's from Smuggler's Cove, and it was adapted for Smuggler's Cove from the book And a Bottle of Rum. I will put a link down below for Smuggler's Cove, and I will not for A Bottle of Rum because I do not have that book. So basically we're just going to need Demerara simple syrup and Plantation 5 here. We will need ice, of course, that's in the freezer, bar spoon, jigger, and new rocks glass. Link down below for it. It comes from Riedel. So let's make this cocktail. First things first, Demerara simple syrup. Gonna need 1/4 ounce. Full disclosure, that's actually a little bit more than 1/4 ounce. And of course, you know my custom. Now 2 ounces of rum. I'm gonna go 2 cubes. Now stir. Now the garnish for this should be some fresh grated nutmeg. I don't have that, I'm sorry. So I'm just going to use some ground nutmeg, McCormick. Come on. We have a Bombo. Cheers. Very spirit forward, but a pretty tasty drink. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below. What cocktail do you want me to try next? You can find me on my personal YouTube page, youtube.com/ScottWSmith. I live stream from there. I'm also trying to do gaming content there. I have a Patreon at patreon.com/chopless_Inc. Where those of you that wish to be in my live streams are welcome to join. And I will do private live streams for my patrons. And until next time, thank you for watching. I'm Scott, and this has been The Beginner's Bar.